It's Monday, July 30th, and today I'm gonna do something a little bit different. Shay doesn't know this yet, but we're gonna go on a date night, and I have a couple things set up for her. And let me explain to you guys what I'm gonna do for her before she gets home. She's on her way home right now. She's probably had a busy day. She's probably tired. She's probably ready to just be home and be done, just hang out. But I'm gonna make things a little interesting for her tonight. This little guy right here, what a goon. So when she walks in, she's gonna see this table right here. Over here is my gear. Over here is her gear, basically just her helmet, on grab her jean jacket. And I have two outfit options for her. Basically one for if we go on the motorcycle, obviously the jeans, boots and tank top, and then a jean jacket. And then another outfit, got the overalls and a tank top for her with a, what is this called? I can't remember what this is called. And that's in case we end up not going on the bike. So here's what we got going on in the middle. Obviously you see a couple shots over here because she's gonna have to make serious decisions over here. But here are her options. I'm just waiting for her to get home now, and we're gonna have some fun with this. It'll be a good time. I hate that the lighting is so much better from this side. If you have a G7X, please let me know how I adjust this light setting so I can just manually make it brighter or darker, because it's so annoying to have to shift to the light side. As soon as the garage door starts coming up, the dogs are gonna go bananas. Found her jacket. Bandeau, I think that's called a bandeau. Oh, and guys, feel free to steal my idea. It's totally cool. But just give me credit at some point in the night. Now we got the full effect. So she's gonna come in and be surprised, and we're gonna figure all this out. We gotta come up with a name for this game. But I got her some tequila. I don't have her anything to chase it with. And I got some warm rum, so that'll be fun for her to pick between those two. Man, she's gonna be f***ed up. At this point, it's just a waiting game, so we're all waiting on you, Shay. Shay's home. We're gonna call this game Shots Before Dinner. I think that's a cool name because you're taking shots before you go to dinner. Anyway, Shots Before Dinner. Game is up. Shay's about to be home. I'm excited. That's not my excited, Dan. Sorry about this mess. Any second now. Are you ready to play a game called Shots Before Dinner? I just invented this game. We're ready to go. How you feeling?
Like I gotta pee.
Do you want to pee first, or do you want to play first?
Yes, I gotta.
She's got to pee, folks. There's only so many things you can prepare for in life. I can't make her pee before she comes home. Okay, she's coming back now. All right, here's the name of the game.
Okay.
So we got two outfits set up for you, depending on which route we go this evening. Okay? You have 7 options to visually see first. If you would like to eliminate 3, you can take a shot for each one you eliminate.
What?
Up to 3. You don't have to. It's your choice. Otherwise, you have to put them all in the jar. After you put them all in the jar, you pull out 3 options. At that point, you have the option to take another shot, or you can put them all 3 in the jar and pick from there. After you pick the final one, you have the option to take a shot and swap it out, or you can leave it as is.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
So let's start with your option. First option, bike ride plus B-dubs.
Oh, I love B-dubs.
Second option, bike ride plus Chewies.
I love Chewies.
Third option, bike ride plus Redbox and Whataburger or Cane's, dealer's choice.
I don't know this one.
Fourth option, car ride plus Jack Allen's. Fifth option, car ride to Muya or Stuffed plus Redbox. Sixth option, bike ride plus BJ's. Not what you're thinking. Seventh option, car ride plus In-N-Out and PDQ for a combo date plus Redbox. If you'd like to eliminate any of them, you have to take a shot for each one. You eliminate up to 3.
Okay. I want to eliminate these 2 and...
You gonna do 3 shots? She's going big!
Can I modify one? Is that
Okay.
an option?
Tell
No?
me what your
Okay.
modification
No.
is. What's your mod?
Bike ride instead of car?
Jack Allen's a little bit harder to get to because of the construction. That's the only reason I put
Okay.
car ride. There's a lot of construction. I don't want to put some danger.
Okay.
It's
I'll
fine.
just eliminate 2.
You're doing 2. You want some rum or you want some tequila?
Tequila.
I don't know how much tequila we got left, so it might just be a combo. I'm gonna be easy on her, folks. This shot glass is a little bit bigger. All right, there you go. There's the first one. A little gentle. Welcome home from work. Okay, there's number 1. All right, so we just eliminated which one of the 2? Or are you doing 2 regardless?
2 regardless.
Okay, she's doing 2. She's doing 2. You're doing the tequila or you want to do rum?
Chaser.
Okay.
Chaser.
You want a Cheeto? We don't have very much tequila left. I'm being gentle again. This is probably half a shot. It is half a shot. Suck it up, Buttercup.
Whew, okay. I'm not eliminating anything else.
All right.
Oh,
She did that like a champ, guys. I'm really impressed. I didn't know where that was gonna go or how game she would be, so I'm really happy with that. All right, so 2 options are now down. Bike Ride plus Redbox and Whataburger or Cane's. Dealer's choice, that is gone. And Car Ride plus In-N-Out and PDQ combo date is now gone. All right, so that leaves us with 5 options, folks. So we're gonna put all these 5 options inside this glass, and then she is gonna pick 3. Okay, don't look at me. Can't have no cheaters in this house.
Can people see how messy our kitchen is?
You gotta pick 3. Ready?
1.
Okay.
2. 3.
Okay, hold on. Let me show you which one she eliminated.
Oh man.
We have just eliminated Bike Ride plus Chewies.
No!
Gone to the wayside.
Happy hour!
Bike Ride plus B-Dubs.
No!
God. Bonus round! Bonus round! You have the option to swap one of those back in
For a shot.
if you take another
I
shot.
can't do another
Half shot. Half shot. You've only taken maybe 1 1/4 at this point.
He doesn't understand that I do not eat at work.
I will take it for you.
No, you're driving.
Well, I was just
You
gonna
don't
do-
eat at
I was
work
just gonna do
either.
one.
He doesn't eat at work either.
I had
no.
some cheeses. I had a Rice Krispie treat.
I made your lunch. Did you not eat it?
Do you want to stick with what's in your hand? She's out for the shots, guys. Are you sure?
No, I'm not sure.
Half shot.
I can't.
Half shot.
I feel sick.
And
I'm not as young as I once was.
You have 2 options at this point. You can take a half shot and swap one in with these 3, or you can put these 3 in the glass, pick one, and take that. If you don't like that one, you have the option of taking a half shot and swapping it.
Jack
So,
Allen's is still in there, so
you gonna stick with it?
BJ's is in there, which
Yep.
I love, and Mooyah's in there. Jeez, please don't pick Mooyah.
Are you sure you don't want to do a half shot and swap Mooyah out?
I really want BJ's. I mean, Chewy's, but I can't take another shot. Like, I already feel a little.
Like I said, I'll do half for you.
It's
I'll
okay.
do a half shot. It's just a half shot.
Half shot.
She's in, folks. She's in. Sold her on the half shot.
Half.
I'm gonna do vodka. I can't do none of this
Ugh.
stuff. We're not getting crazy. We're just having fun. Okay.
We're getting crazy. When was the last time I took a shot?
Quick little half shot to all my fallen
That's not a
homies.
half.
This is half.
Oh, that hurt my stomach just watching you take it.
All right, now I'm good. What are we swapping in?
I want Chewy's.
Chewy's. Chewy's is coming back. What are you taking out?
Mooyah's out.
Final round. How you holding up there, champ?
Oh gosh.
She's feeling rough. The moment of truth. The moment of truth. How are you ready? Now she does still have the half shot option if
No.
she wants to take it.
Nope.
For all the pickles. Okay, real quick. Do you want to do the last one in there? Is it? Or do you want to do the first one you draw?
Can I decide that after I pick?
Nope. First elimination. I'm really hoping for Chewy's too, to be honest.
Jack Allen's.
Jack Allen's is
I'm
gone.
okay with that because it's super expensive. If you live in Austin and you've never been, you should go, but just know you're gonna spend a little bit of money.
Wait, so what's left? Chewy's and
BJ's.
both excellent choices.
I get a bike ride either way now, so that's really all I care about.
Second elimination. Which one are you hoping it is?
I'm gonna fall off the bike, Chewy's.
She wants to go to Chewy's, folks.
There's happy hour at Chewy's. Like, we can split the tacos and get some drinks. Well, he can't drink because he's driving a motorcycle.
But she can, because all she's got to do is hold on.
That's all that matters.
Moment of truth. Is she getting a Mexican tonight or not?
Am I getting a Mexican?
Getting Mexican. You know what I'm talking about.
Mexican food?
You know what I'm talking about. Here it is, folks. Here it is, folks. Which one is it?
Oh
You picked Chewy's, didn't you?
no!
So that leaves BJ's.
I want Chewy's. Please take me to Chewy's.
How can you resist that face right there? Okay, guys, I already got her outfit. We're going to Chewy's. Did you see that? It went right in the bowl.
Awesome.
We're going to Chewy's
We're going
tonight.
Chewy's!
A little bit of a mix up with the game, but I hope you guys enjoyed that. We're gonna go have some fun. We're not gonna film the whole date night because that's for us, that's not for you. So I hope you appreciated this, and I hope it was a little bit different and a little bit of fun. But we're gonna go out tonight, we're gonna have a good time, and we will see you guys soon. All right, see you guys on the flip side.
I just want you to know, at the front of our community, there's a little fountain, and every once in a while, the turtles will come out and they'll like sunbathe. And they were there! On my way home, there was one. He like perches and he's like, oh my gosh.
Let's go for a ride.